Hi, my name is Bill Miller, and I'm a member of the Stockbridge Munsee Mohican Nation. I've been telling stories all my life, some of them true, some of them false, some of them scary. I learned how to tell stories from my tribal affiliations throughout the country, from Wisconsin to Montana to the Canadian Rockies, and I'd like to return that blessing to you. I just wrote a book called Voices of the Spirit. So these are a little bit of everything, and I want to return the gift that I've been given throughout my life. I've been blessed by so many beautiful stories, sacred stories, funny stories, ghost stories, fishing stories, hunting stories, war stories. My people have a history that's been passed on through storytelling, and that's what I want to link on to. My stories are about children, they're about animals, they're about creation, and they're about life struggles. I love storytelling. I grew up with storytellers, and I've been listening to stories all my life, not only on my reservation, but on reservations throughout the United States and Canada. Recently, I wrote a number of stories, and I'm putting them in a book that I wish to just send out to all of you. It's called Voices of the Spirit, and it's traditional stories but done in an original sense. These are true stories to be read and to be spoken. So I hope we can continue that tradition together. I'm looking forward to putting it out in the public. And if you're interested in helping me out, that would be awesome. Join the tribe, and I'll see you on the road sometime. Thanks.